that? Sebastian, is that you? Oh God, you've forgotten again. So, are you okay? Okay, just slow down for a minute. Yeah, I know. Just give me a minute, okay? I need to go back a few steps here. Yeah, I know. Just listen. You got this far, so that's at least something. I hoped I would catch you a bit further along, but, well, it is what it is. We've been here a few times before. I will explain more later. There's no point, really, in telling you any more just yet. This early on, you may forget everything again, and we'll go back to the start again. I can't go through that too many times. Sebastian, you are living in a world that is breaking down. It used to be longer, but every hour or so, things get, well, reset. That's if they don't reset you earlier. I don't know how to explain it, but you wake up again without your memory, and, well, everything's wet inside. Calm down. Just breathe, okay? Yes, you've been here and done this before, dozens of times. Maybe hundreds. I'm not